children. Today we will discuss about continue nation, nationality and nationalism. Okay, what is the main difference between nationality and nationalism? Okay, now we will discussing continue. Yesterday we will already discuss nationalism feelings. Now today nationality under the control by the nations. All nations are dependent on the states. All nations are dependent on the states. But states already including all nations are dependent on the states. But states already depend on the nations. Next to nationalism. Okay, we have nationality and nationalism. What is the main difference of nationality and nationalism? Today we will discussing now. Okay, nationalism is the under the common type of language. These are nationalism. These are peoples are common people. They are spoke to common language. Okay, language also use commonly. Different language is there, but common. Okay, common people are the common language and religions. Common religions and also regions also. Common regions and caste. Okay, next ethnic groups, common ethnic groups, etc. These are the under the control by the nationalism. Common people, common language, religions for all, mixing religions, different religions, they are common. Okay, next to regions, common regions also area to area, place to place different there, but it's common regions. Caste is also different caste system, but common system. Ethnic groups, group is also ethnics, different type of group. This is common. Okay, it is called nationalism. Nationality, nationalism. What is the difference between nationality and nationalism? Nationality is that all states depend on the state. All nations depend on the states. The states. Okay, next one. The states are directly under the rule of all nations. Okay, the states are directly ruling under the all nations. Okay, first one, all nations are depend on the states. Second one, mainly the states are directly depend under the direct ruling of nations. Okay, so nationalism, it is the how to successful of nationalism. We are main important of but the successful of nationalism. So important of characters. What is main characters? For example, yesterday we were discussing already importance of nationalism and nationalism feelings. Yesterday we were discussing already. So now nationalism is it is multiple type of groups. And number one, number two, nationalism is successful depend on the socialist groups. Or next to secular system also once depend on the nationalism. Okay. So many historically, so many political scientists already clearly explained in this century, 4th and 5th centuries. BC 4th and 5th century. BC 4th and 5th century BC. BC 4th and 5th century. Here already nationality. Okay. Every nationality under the control by the every common people laws. For example, under the rule of law is also very important of the in this manner. Common law. Okay, common law and directive principles of state policy in our Indian Constitution. constitution theory. The constitution theory totally mixture of the common law and people also in different regions are there. The common is that is the total in multiple type of nations there, multiple type of nations. But their feelings are is totally different. Okay. Next, nationalism, some important historical movements like civil disobedience movement, 59 movement. Okay, this nationalism movement it is only affected on regions only. The regions to one region to another region, total including of all over country, all over nation. So it is called it is movements. This type of movements it is called this type of movements it is called nationalism movements. Okay, the nationalism is one of the part of the whole society. Okay. Previous classes already we know discussed about nationalism feelings and nationalist feelings. Okay. Okay. The conclusion mainly about on the nationalism. Next to nationality. Next to the nationalism under the depth of the nationality feelings. Okay. Next to these are mainly vice versa. The relation type of mix of the words. Okay. These are the main important of the nationalism. Okay, students. This is the main conclusion about of the nationality and nationalism. The states are directly under the rule of the nations. Okay. So this common of the language, religions, and caste ethnic groups. Every nationalism under the direct depend on the nationality. Okay. These are nation and nationality nationalism. Every nation depend on the direct ruling of the nationalism. Okay. Next. About 4th and 5th centuries, 4th and 5th century BC, the nationality is already Western countries are developed. Okay, the Western countries is totally mixture of the population. The mixture of population, whole life is also different, real life different. Okay, it is historically culture is also different, historical movements also changes. The movements also mainly effect of the on social characters and social categories. Okay. People, common people, language, religions, regions, caste, and ethnic groups. Okay. These are the main under the nationalism, under the direct ruling of the nationalism feelings. And next. How to successful nationalism? The successful of the nationalism not only easy, it is some multiple type of groups. Okay, these mainly depend on multiple type of groups. Okay, number one, multiple type of groups means mixture of the men or women, gender bias. Next, it is a different type of religions, particularly all type of mixed religions. Next, caste, creed. Caste type of feelings. Next, creed. Okay, caste, creed, and social ethnic groups. Okay, next, social ethnic groups. Social ethnic groups. Okay, how to successful of the nationalism? Yesterday we are already explained nationality, nationalism, difference between nationality and society, nationality and scope of polity. Okay, and the meaning of nationalism. Now, how to successful of the nationalism? The nationalism successful depend on every people. The people's group, but the groups of people and constitution also. Sometimes constitution also. Second, religions. Here individual religions, group-wise religions. Religions also mainly successful of the nationalism. Okay. Next to caste. All multiple type of caste system there in every society, every country, every nation, every nations. So caste also mainly depend on the every nationalism. Multiple type of caste. Next, creed. Creed, it is also different of occupations, like workers. Different workers also they working hours depends. Sometimes few hours working, payment is high payment. Sometimes high times. So many times are working, payment is low. They are not difference. Okay, the difference also there, but working hours is difference. Okay. So the gender base of the male or females in agriculture sectors, you know already agriculture sectors daily wage workers, daily wage wages also there, daily wage wages. Okay. Next, social ethnic groups. The social ethnic groups also one of the main important part of the permanent part of the successful of nationalism. The nationalism successful not only easy, it is sometimes taken. Historically, these are many places are changed. Many places are changed historically. Okay, so 4th and 5th centuries, first start of nationalism in continues till today. Also now national feelings also there. Okay, many greatest political thinkers, political historical thinkers clearly explained that nationalism it is the dependent social groups, society or social groups. It is one biggest type of system, the biggest type of system. Okay, multiple type of systems, mixed of languages also there. It is common culture, common people, common ethnic groups. Okay, next to common religions, caste, common caste. Caste also different, but compared to other foreign countries and in our country, it all depends Constitution of India. Okay, next to all type of regions depend on the already including of the nation, all type of regions. Okay, the nation, so many type of regions are there. So many type of regions. Not only 2 or 3 or more, 2 or more. Okay, the regions, all type of regions there. It is called mainly nations. So successful of nationalism here historically, so many type of movements are there. The movements also successful of the nationality and nationalism. Okay, next conclusion. Okay. The conclusion about this chapter, nation, nationality, and nationalism. These are words. Differences are different, nation and nationality, nationalism. But these are words, related words, and it is synonyms also. Okay, nation, nationality, nationalism. Every nation depend on every society. Okay. First, mainly the conclusion about English chapter, nationalism. It is the historically so many type of strikes or so many type of movements are there, and these are the feelings of your real feelings, real life feelings. Okay, your national feelings. Okay, all type of multi regions, small or biggest, all type of regions is a mixture of the nationality. Okay, this conclusion about nationality and nationalism also is previous classes already we will discuss about nationalism and nationality also, some nationality movement also. Okay, students, today mainly we will learn, we will discussing about how to successful of nationalism. Next, we century mainly start of nationalism. Okay. Next, the nationalism, which type of parts are there? Which type of parts? Which type of categories? Particularly main categories. Which type of categories are the nationalism? Common people, common language, common religion, regions, caste and ethnic groups. Okay. These three main important points of the nationality and nationalism. Tomorrow, continue, we will discuss about nationality and nationalism. Okay, how to handle the nationality and nationalism, and these are how to empower the people. Okay, the people groups we will discuss it.